Guess which one people actually trust with their money? This or this? I had $0 when I needed the second one. Not a tight budget, zero. And $6 a month was never an option for me. So I found a way to get it for free, completely free. And 3 years later, I still haven't paid a cent. And at the end of this video, neither will you. If you're building something with no investor, no savings, no rich uncle, freelancers, side hustlers, and broke founders, this one is for you. By the end of this video, you will have a professional business email sending and replying straight from the Gmail app you already use. And I'll walk you through every step to get everything set up. Before we get started, here's what we will be doing today. First, get a domain name if you don't already have one. Second, connect the domain to Cloudflare. And third, create a professional business email and forward it to your Gmail account. And at last, set up Gmail so you can send emails from your business email address. First thing, and this is the only money involved in the entire video, you need a domain. Not a subscription, just a once a year fee. And if you shop smart, this can cost less than your coffee this morning. Cloudflare actually sells domains at cost, no markup, no upsells. Or you can grab a first-year deal from Namecheap or Porcupine. You can buy your domain from your choice. You can use Namecheap, you can use Cloudflare, or you can use GoDaddy. Or even if you have a local provider in your country, you can buy from those providers too. And one thing you'll quickly discover is that every good domain name seems to be owned by someone who never actually built a website, but that's okay, and don't overthink the extension either. .com is great, but .co, .xyz, .net, whatever domain extension you choose can also work for your emails or can also be good for your website, so don't overthink the extension. For my case, I have already bought a domain for my previous works and projects, so I'm gonna use my existing domain for this video. So buy the domain and let's move on. After we have the domain, now we can create a free Cloudflare account. This is the engine that makes the whole free email setup possible. So go to cloudflare.com, and after you created the account, you will get navigated to this dashboard where you can manage your domains, where you can manage your email accounts and everything. So as you can see, I already have 5 domains integrated inside the Cloudflare domain management dashboard. Some of those domains are actually failed startups which I've launched previously. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use one domain to just show you how you can set up. So for your case, to add a new domain, at the top there's a domain section. Click the domain sections and click overview. Here I have already 5 domains listed. For your case, you're gonna click add domain, click connect the domain. So here, insert your domain name with the extension included and click continue. And Cloudflare will take time to add your domain inside the configuration. So wait for a few minutes and you're gonna get this price package. So here, as you can see, your domain workers can get up to 100k requests a day, and you have a 5 GB storage, also 18 GB R2 storage. This is actually enough, so we'll select this plan, the free plan. This is the final configuration of this stage, which is adding your DNS records to your domains. So read what's listed in here, but what we are going to do is we are going to add the Cloudflare name servers to our domain name provider. So go to DNS, then settings, and here, as you can see, here are the Cloudflare name servers, those two, bailey.ns.cloudflare.com and henry.ns.cloudflare.com. So go to your domain registrar. If you bought your domain inside GoDaddy, go to the GoDaddy name server configuration and copy those name servers and replace the existing name servers of your domain. If you bought this from Namecheap, also replace the domain name servers inside your domain with those 2 name servers. After that, go to the overview of your domains inside the sidebar, and here, as you can see, it's invalid name servers. It's because we haven't added the name servers inside our registrar, but if you do that perfectly, it's going to activate itself automatically like those ones. So as you can see, this domain is not valid yet because I just add this domain to just show you guys, to just show you how this works. I'm going to use my other domains which are active. Now for the actual trick, click your domain first, which is the active one, which you have added recently. For this case, let's just use this one. And here inside the sidebar, you have many options. Click the email one, and inside the email, click the email routing. we have already one routing rule, 3 destination addresses, and 1 domains. This is because I have already added a few destination addresses for this domain name, but it's okay. On your dashboard, you're not going to see those numbers because you haven't added any destination address yet. So first, what we are going to do is, before creating any routing rules, we're going to add a destination address, which is the Gmail account you're already using. For this case, let's just use this email. Copy the Gmail address, and here at the bottom we're gonna paste the Gmail and click add address. So it's pending because we have received an email. Return back to your email address, and Cloudflare is going to send an email for you. Click verify email address here. Now, after the verification is successful, click go to email routing and click the domain which we picked earlier, which is the one you're using. And here, as you can see, inside our destination address, we have verified the new email address, which is this one. So now we can create a routing rule. Click routing rules here, and as you can see, I already have this business email, which is routing emails to my other Gmail account, which is this one. This one is the one I'm using frequently, so I'm routing this business email to this one. For this case, we're gonna create a new routing rule to add a one, and the email pattern is going to be, let's say, this one, partnerships at, and here you're gonna click a domain, which is this one, and yours is going to appear here. So click the domain you just added recently, and here you can say whatever you want, like support@yourdomain.com, hello@yourdomain.com. Any kind of email pattern can work here. Pick whatever pattern which sounds professional for your case, and inside the action you're gonna pick send to an email, because we are going to route emails sent to this email address to our Gmail account. So inside the destination, we have the destination addresses which we have verified earlier. Here is the new Gmail account which I have verified earlier, so click this one, and for your case, click yours too. Then we can save this one. So as you can see, this routing rule has been added. So each time someone sends an email to this email address, it's going to route it, and I'm going to receive that email inside my Gmail account. To just show you how this works, let's copy the business email address, the new one, and from another email address, let's copy the new email address. Let's say something here, doesn't matter, then we can send it here. As you can see, here it shows from what address it was sent, and here it shows to what address it was sent to. So as you can see, it's partnerships@rafaeltadessa.dev, which is the new email address we've just routed. Now here's the bonus most tutorials never mention. You're not limited to one email address. As you can see, you can create multiple business emails like hello@yourdomain.com, support@yourdomain.com, billing@yourdomain.com, partnerships, which is the one we just created. All of them can forward into the exact same Gmail inbox. From the outside, it looks like you run an entire company, and in reality, it's just you sitting in pajamas refreshing one inbox. Now receiving emails is now solved, but we still need to send emails from our business address, because replying from a random Gmail address completely ruins the professional look. So for that, we're gonna use Brevo. It's a website. Go to brevo.com and create an account there. They also require to verify your account with SMS OTP. So make sure to do that. No matter where you are, the OTP is going to work. So after you verify your account, you're gonna get navigated to this dashboard. Here, as you can see, there are multiple options in the sidebar. Before creating any business email addresses here, first we need to add our domain before setting up any sender addresses. So inside the organization settings section, go to senders, domains, IPs, and there first, before creating any sender address, we need to integrate our domain first. So go to the domain section, and as you can see, I have already added my domain here, which is rafaeltadessa.dev. But for the sake of the video and show you how it works, let's add a custom domain. I will add another domain which I have inside the Cloudflare. Let's use this one. This one is my previous startup, which is not operating currently. I think it's not integrated inside Brevo, so let's use this one. Then click add domain, and Bravo is going to authenticate the domain you have added. You can configure the DNS manually, but the recommended one is to allow Bravo to authenticate the domain automatically. So click continue, make sure this one is selected, and click continue. After that, it's going to ask you to sign into your Cloudflare account. Click the sign in button. Then it asks you to authorize Bravo to add those DNS records to your domain name. So click authorize here. As you can see, our domain has been successfully authenticated. So here is the new domain added. Make sure to add your own domain here too. For this case, we're going to use this one, the previous one, because this is the one which we have created the business address earlier. Now we're going to go to the senders tab. And here, as you can see, there are multiple business addresses I have created earlier. For your case, you're gonna need a new one, so click the add sender button at the top. Here, enter your name. If it is support, say support. Whatever it is, give it a name. And for the email address, it's partnerships@rafaeltadessa.live. So for your case, copy yours and paste it here, then click add send. So as you can see, the sender name has been successfully added. After that, we will go to our previous Gmail account, which we need to add the email to. Go to the settings here and click see all settings. And here at the top navigation, there's a section called accounts and import. Click that, and here, as you can see, there's an option saying send mail as. This allows you to add a custom business addresses to your Gmail account, so you can send us those business addresses. This is the current one, which is the default one that Gmail gives you. We'll add another email address. Click this one, and here we will give it a name. The email address is also going to be partnerships@rafaeltadessa.live. Then we're gonna click next. And here, as you can see, it asks you to enter your SMTP server username and also password. To get those credentials for your business address, return to the Bravo dashboard, and here below the senders and domains navigator, there's a section called SMTP and API. Click that, and inside the layout, here is your SMTP settings. Here is the SMTP server, so we're gonna copy this and paste it here. And the port is 587. Here it's also 587, but if it's different one on your dashboard, make sure to change that. And this is going to be the username. Paste it here. And for the password, you need to generate a new SMTP key. Click the generate SMTP key at the top, then give it a name. You can give it an expiration. No expiration is recommended. Then click generate. Then make sure to copy your SMTP key and save it somewhere else. Then paste it here and click add account. Now, as you can see, Gmail has sent a verification email to my email address to verify it's me. So go back to your Gmail address, and as you can see, there's a confirmation one. So it's asking me to click this link. Click this one. Then there is a confirm button inside the new page, and click confirm here. So now the confirmation is successful. And now if we refresh the Gmail account and compose a new email, here there's a drop down, as you can see, and we can see our new business address here. So when you send an email to someone, you can use your new business address. So let's test it out. Here, as you can see, we have a drop down to pick the address that we want to send the email from. Here is the new one. As you can see, partnerships@rafaeltadessa.live is available. So let's choose that one and let's send the email. As you can see now, here is the new email, which is sent from our new business address. So it's working perfectly. Now let's count what we actually spent. Domain is under $2, which is one time, and Cloudflare is free. Email routing is also free, and Gmail sending is also free using Bravo. So our monthly cost is going to be $0 forever. So if you're starting from zero like I was, you don't need to wait until you can afford to look professional. You can look professional today for less than the price of a coffee. Drop the cheapest domain price you found in the comments, and let's see who got the best deal. And if this video saved you from paying for a subscription you genuinely couldn't afford right now, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.